Hi, this is Steve from the G Suite Tips team here in the UK. You can find us online at our website, gsuitetips.com. And of course, on the social channels, we've got Twitter, Google+, and our YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. So today's video tip is to show you how to use a nice little neat technique to create effectively a template event in Google Calendar. And this tip utilizes the publish feature within Calendar and the fact that everything in G Suite is on the web and is a link. So I'm going to go into my calendar here, and to save some time, I previously created a template event. So I'm going to go to the 1st of August and I can find my event here called a team meeting. If I click into this, we can see that I've set it up with a name, an address. We're going to hopefully get a meeting room at Buckingham Palace in London. Okay, it's in my calendar, and I've got some invitees to it, and there's some information about it here. It's an ad hoc sales team meeting. So obviously, if these were regular meetings, I could obviously create them as a repeating event in Calendar conventionally. But in this instance, what I'm going to do is scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see this publish event link, okay, which you may not have noticed before. And I'm going to click on this, and it pops up a little pop-up window. You could embed this in a calendar as a calendar event in a website or something, but I'm after this one. Copy the link. Rather a nasty looking link here, but I'm going to select it and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then say okay. So I'm going to leave the template alone. That's just sitting there, okay, on August the 1st. And in a new window, still signed in as me in Chrome, I'm going to paste that link. Okay, paste and go. And you'll see it generates the same kind of an event with the same information on it. And all I need to do is obviously just change the time and date information and personalize it for the new event that I actually want to put in place. But also, if I click here and add it as a bookmark on the star here, okay, I'll leave it on the bookmarks bar. I might just change that to, let's put this under here and say sales meeting, for example, and say done. And if I open a new tab here, you'll now see I've got a nice little logo with sales meeting. And if I click on that one, again, that opens up another one. There's no limit to how many of these I can do. So let's just say I'm going to change this to be on the, let's make it the 31st of August, and let's make it time 10 till 11. We'll do that the same. I've got all the normal features. I'm just in a normal calendar. So I could say team meeting late August, for example, if I couldn't think of anything better than that. Okay, and I'm just going to save that now. And in my calendar, that's just saved. If I go back to the original calendar tab that I had open and make my way to that date, which I think was on the last day of August, and we can see that there's the event there. It's just a conventional meeting event. So what we've done is just used a link, which I've now made as a bookmark. If I click on there, it will create that. And obviously I could create many of them, maybe have a bookmark folder if I'm scheduling many types of meetings like that. I'll just close this one down and this one, and I'm going to close this one down. Do be aware though, you can also, let's just close that and start a new calendar window just to make it all completely clear. Back to calendar. You can, with any event, so I'll go to this 31st event, as well as what we've just done, there is more actions. You can duplicate event, which does much the same thing. Okay, it duplicates the event and gives you the option to do that. So you can use that as well. But if you're doing these things regularly, I think that the ability to click on a link here as a bookmark makes it very simple to use this technique to create effectively a template for events. So I hope that makes sense. Always watch the video again if you want to go through that again. The key thing was this. Let me just find the original template one. The key thing was when you go into a meeting that's already been created, the publish event, which pops up, and you can grab that link. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Again, gsuitetips.com is where you find us on the web. Don't forget our Twitter, our Google+, and our YouTube channel. And I will see you on the next one.